What's going on, guys? This is going to be a video on how to remove the error for Proton VPN whenever you are updating software via the GUI or the software store on Fedora. I am on Fedora 36, and the error that pops up is the fail to paraphrase public key for the directory blah 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 Proton VPN public key. It looks like this in the screenshot right here, as you can see, except this one's for Google Cloud, and it'll actually be a Proton. It'll be like Proton VPN-Fedora-stable-36-x86_64, and it'll say public key.asic.asc, and it's actually a well-known issue too. People on Reddit have been reporting on it, as you see right here, and Proton did say they're aware of this issue and that the issue has been solved on their side. This was a month ago, although I did get this error like 2 days ago, and I noticed that this tutorial I'm about to show you fixed it. Now, I ended up uninstalling all of Proton VPN, and the reason why, I'm going to wait until they release their new client. So if you want to uninstall it, which I recommend you do for this error, is you want to go to their website. I'll leave the link in the description on how to uninstall. They have it documented right here, but the only problem is it doesn't remove the actual error when you uninstall the app. So you're gonna have to follow this right here. Where's it at? So you go down to notes, and then you go to uninstall official app. It's gonna be this command right here, and then this is gonna uninstall the official app, and then you want to remove all the packages with this command right here. And then after that, you double check to make sure everything's removed with this command, and then this command right here. And I'll leave that link in the description. You just run them in terminal. You type in terminal, you run them in terminal. And then after you have done that, you're going to want to go in terminal, and you're going to want to paste this command right here. I'm going to leave all the commands in the description, as well as like a tutorial text. So it is sudo dnf config-manager-set-disabled, and then Proton VPN-Fedora-stable. I also have it typed up on the screen so you guys can see it. And then next, you're going to want to remove the cache folders. For some reason, the cache folders don't get removed automatically. I have no idea why, but this worked for me. And what you're going to want to do, I'm actually going to show you through the Files app, just because I'm trying to keep this like user friendly, because I don't know a lot about like command line commands on Linux, but this is how I did it, and it's actually pretty easy. So you want to go to Files in your files, and you want to click Other Locations. Then you want to click Computer. You want to scroll all the way down to var, and then next you're going to want to go to cache. Find the word cache, and you want to click it right here. And then you're going to want to go to package kit. So package kit. And then once you're right here in this 36 folder, you want to open it. So 36 is the last folder you want to open. Then you're going to want to right click it, and you want to press open in terminal. And then once you have done this, I've already uninstalled it, so I don't have it. You're going to be navigated to this folder right here, and this folder will be open in terminal. This is all your packages, like all your repos. But the thing is, you can't just right click it and delete it. There's no option, because this is a root folder. So you're going to have to give yourself root privileges with the sudo command. So what you're going to do is what I showed you on metadata. You don't want to open the metadata folder. You want to be in the 36 folder and right click it, and then press open in terminal, because after that you're going to type in sudo space rm-r proton vpn-fedora-stable-36-x86_64. The sudo command is going to be giving you root privileges so you can remove it. The rm command removes it, and the -r command removes all the files and the folder. So all the folder files and the folder, because you can't just use the dash, I think it's a -delete command, the D, because that only removes a folder, but there will be files, so it won't work. So you have to use the -r command. And then once you have done that, you're going to want to close terminal, and then I recommend reopening terminal again and just typing in dnf space clean space all. This is going to clear all the cache again. And then I recommend you close terminal and you go to the top right and you press restart machine. And after that, you should be good. You can be able to go back to the software store and update all your packages as necessary. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. I hope this worked out for you. If it didn't work out, go ahead and leave a comment, and I will send you the invite to the Proton VPN Matrix server, and the staff, or maybe even I can help you out a little bit more. But hopefully I fixed all your guys' issues, and thanks for watching.